So recently we've been reading this book, Bullerby Children, by Astrid Lindgren, a Swedish author. In English, I think it's the Six Bullerby Children, but in the US it's also translated as the Children of Noisy Village. And well, I used to read this book to my grandma a lot when I was younger, and then I decided to read it to Daniel. So this was our bedtime story time. And here there's a recipe for a Sockerkaka, which is, I guess, a Swedish sponge cake. And after we read about it, Daniel really wanted to make it. So today we're gonna make it again. These are the ingredients for the cake. We have flour and milk, eggs, lemon, butter, baking powder, and sugar. So first we need 3 deciliters of sugar, which I can tell you in a second how many grams that is. Well, approximately 260 grams. And then we'll need 3 eggs. And yes, it does take a lot of sugar. I mean, it is a Sockerkaka, which translated to English would be sugar cake. So yes, it's mostly sugar. Okay, and then we're gonna make it fluffy. Something like that. Then we are adding 3.5 deciliters of flour, which we'll see how many grams that is. 200 grams of flour. Then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then to flavor it, we're gonna add some lemon zest to it. And then we just mix it together. We need to melt butter and milk. 50 grams of butter. And then 1.5 deciliters of milk. Which is 150 grams. And we are just gonna melt it in the microwave. And then we're just going to butter and flour this pan. And then we're just gonna pour this in here. And then we're gonna cook it on the bottom rack for how long?
It says 35 to something, 45 minutes or something.
Okay, we'll start with 35 minutes.
It's so squishy.
Mm-hmm.
It's so tasty. Oh. Mm-hmm.